Hi guys, welcome back. We just got groceries and this is Costco stuff. This is Aldi stuff. If you didn't already watch the video before this, I did show you guys the haul, but right now I'm going to go ahead and put it away and clean stuff up. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys that as well. So let's get cleaning. Alright, so I started out with putting away the salad and everything that needs to go in there. I wiped away basically our list of groceries that we need to pick up. I put away the ham, the cheese. I believe I was talking to my daughter, that's why I keep looking back. Then I went ahead and put the frozen stuff away as well. Adjusted the camera a little bit. But yeah, guys, groceries have gone so high. If you saw my last video, this haul that I did was $321 between Costco and Aldi. And I feel like I didn't buy anything. I didn't even buy any meat. So we wanted to buy meat and salmon. But good thing we didn't, because that would have been way over our budget. But oh my goodness, things are getting ridiculous. But yeah, here I am just putting away the groceries. I normally like cleaning the fridge before I do this, but honestly, I'm gonna wait until right before our trip so that I can clean out the fridge and have it nice and clean. I did go through my pantry. The last time I went through it, I did notice that a couple things expired in June. So I went ahead and went through all the stuff again. Well, the first two drawers, and took everything out that was expired. And I gave it either, I put it on a bag to see if my in-laws wanted it. They don't care about expired stuff. My husband really does. We used to work at Target in that section, so he cares about that. So yeah, we really throw away a lot of expired things. I just made sure all the snacks are up to date and good to go. All right, and here I am organizing all her snacks. I was telling my husband I look like I own a daycare with all the snacks I have. So if you bring your munchkins here, they will eat something. I just made sure everything was nice and filled and easy and organized. Keep in mind, guys, my husband does take about 2 to 3 snacks a day to work as well. When I pack his lunch, I always make sure he has that also. And that is what it looks like in the pantry, nice and organized. Now it's time for my least favorite part ever, and it is washing fruits. I hate washing fruits and veggies, guys, like hate it. So here I am going ahead and washing the grapes, the blueberries, and the apples. And while I was doing the grapes, I'm just chilling, not thinking anything of it. And then I realized something was swimming in the water. Yes, that's a ladybug, a pancha, how my husband likes to call it. It was just swimming and chilling. I ended up calling my husband to come and get the little guy and throw it out the window. Well, he placed it out the window. But I was like, oh my god. At first I thought it was something else, but thank goodness it was just a ladybug. And we went about our day. I believe this is what I'm telling him, babe, get the ladybug. Yep. And he took it out. And he put out the window, and he was basically telling my daughter, look at how messy I am with this. I have some perfectly good grapes and blueberries down there. But anyways, just making sure it's nice and clean. I do like letting it sit there for about 30 to 40 minutes after I do this, so that I can make sure there's nothing else in there and all the gunk is out. Alright, so I honestly leave it there for a while just to make sure everything is nice and clean and you saw bug free. So then my father-in-law ended up coming over, and he just was playing with my daughter, and then I was like, all right. I put all the stuff away and cleaned up my kitchen, made my husband's lunch, and called it a day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here. I'm sorry this is a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Bye, guys.